Well, hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to the Watch Horn. You caught me at a good time today. We're debuting something new to the Watch Horn. I know, it's pretty wild, right? Something new out here. Who would have guessed? But that's what we're doing. Now, if you're one of the 50 people on YouTube that consistently watch my videos, thank you. You're a rock star. And if you think back to the early, very beginning videos, how many times I said, God damn, we need a 338 Lapua, or if you're top shot, Dustin, Lapua. I love that guy. He's funny as shit. Anywho, if you think back, I said we need to get a 338 Lapua or a 50. Barretts are hard as shit to come by. Don't judge. So maybe someday I will score a Barrett. But until then, we've got a 338 to work with. Now, if you are unfamiliar with 338, come in here and take a look at the size difference. This is standard full metal jacket 223, 55 grain. We got 147 grain 308. We've got 300 grain 338 Lapua and a 600 grain 50 BMG. I just have the ammo. I don't have the gun, so don't worry about it. So, for the 338 Lapua, we've got the FN Ballista. Of course, it's got a Nightforce. Oh, God, I'm going to say it wrong. Atacr, whatever. 7x35. We've got the Atacr bipod on it. And just like the Scar 20, FN discontinued it. Why? Come on. It's a nice gun. Look at this thing. Peanut butter and sexy. You can't tell me it is not just glorious. Especially with the Nightforce on it. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to shoot 3 rounds. I got the only ammo we could find is Winchester 300 grain. So I'm going to shoot a couple rounds, see what kind of a group I can put together down there. We've got a camera on the little shoot and see, stick 'em target, and then we'll have a little more fun. See if we can penetrate anything. Let's make some magic happen. All right, we've got our 300 grain Winchester AccuBond CT for deer, elk, and brown bear. Shoot was $80 a box. They're proud of it, so let's hope it shoots nice. Now, I know you can't see me load a mag or insert a mag. Now, I don't know if you can see me insert a bullet into a gun either. So don't look. Cover your eyes real quick. Okay. Let me see. Now, this rifle weighs 16 pounds bare. It's pretty stout. Altogether, everything, it comes up to right at 20 pounds, which is stout, but it's 338 Lapua. So you gotta have weight to handle that recoil. This also has a grip safety, much like a Springfield XD, which is not necessarily a cool thing, but I guess you want to be safe when shooting something that'll do a lot of damage. Yeah, not my best shot. We're about 2 inches low. That's all right. I never claimed to be a super marksman. Let's put another one on. So hammer dropped. And it did not go boom. So I'm not sure if we got a hang fire here or what. I'm going to let that sit for a second just to be safe because it's a 338 Lapua. And I don't want to go yanking the bolt open and it explode. So, Ivan, what do you think? 30 seconds? A minute?
Yep.
All right, we'll just give it a few minutes. I'll hold it here. It's pointed at the top of the berm right now, so it's in a safe direction. We'll just wait it out and see if that's going to go off. I'd hate to think that an $80 box of Winchester ammo has a bad round in it. That would be thoroughly upsetting. Think that was long enough? All right, we'll go ahead and check it. We definitely got a primer strike. Let me zoom in there and see that. So we got a primer strike, and it did not go off. So I will try another one. Okay, I'll try not to take 10 minutes to get stable and... I put that in the same hole. So maybe the 0 is off just a tad. So let's see what we can do with a third round. I'm going to be really impressed if we can put 3 rounds in the same hole. I'll be shocked. That is way above my shooting ability. God damn it. Again. Hammer dropped. So that makes me think we've either got a headspace issue or it's bad Winchester ammo. If these primers are seated too deep or something, I'm going to be very, very angry because everyone knows if you go to a gun store and buy ammo, all sales are final. And that's not okay when you're looking at an $80 box of ammo and it don't fucking shoot. What do you think, Ivan? Think I waited long enough for a hang fire? Alright, alright. So, again, we've got a very clear primer strike. But no detonation. Oh, good Lord, that one dropped. That one dropped down on me quite a bit. I probably jerked that. Let's send one more. Then we'll go up and have a little fun. I yanked that way off. Alright, I didn't yank it that far off. Okay. Let's head down to the pistol area. I want to see if we can catch a 338 Lapua and what this AccuBond looks like after it hits something. Let's give that a shot. Winchester, we're going to talk about these rounds that won't friggin' shoot. We're going to hoof it down there. I'll catch you in a minute. I want to know if we can catch one. So we got water jugs. That's like 5 feet of water jug. Okay, maybe not 5. Closer to 4. surely that's enough water to catch this Winchester at the rate we're going. If this Winchester shoots, surely this is enough water to catch it. So let's give it a shot. I want to see what it looks like exploded. Let's do it. All right, here we go with the 338 into water to see if I can catch one of the bullets. I better turn the magnification way down. All right, here we go. You ready, Ivan? Ivan?
Yes.
Okay. Here we go. Oh, that was cool. All right, let's see if we can find a bullet. That was awesome. We definitely devastated some water here, and we got lucky because right here on the table, there it is. And the water cooled it down, so it's not hot. Not burning myself, Demo Matt. Did he say that? Yeah. So, mangled up pretty good. That's definitely impressive. It went through the big jug. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It went through 5 jugs. It did start to veer off a bit too, but we found it. That's it for today. Go to the range. Go shoot. Get nice guns. Get a 338. Don't buy a 50 though, because I'm watching for them. Stay out of the market. Get the hell out of here. We'll see you next time. I'm glad you didn't go far because we forgot to look at the shot group. So here we go. It was 4 shots. First 2 were in the same hole. Second 2 were right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's pretty solid. That's pretty solid, especially for as bad as I suck. So I need to get back to training. I got to shoot more. So get the hell out of here so I can do it. Go away.